picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand on my knees, go weak. What's happening?
You're watching Kennedy, Caribbean Queen. Kennedy, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kennedy, Caribbean Queen. Kennedy, Caribbean Queen. Beauty.
Alright, so the hair that I will be installing for you guys today is from Unice Hair. Let me just go ahead really quickly and unbox it for you guys. So with all your wigs, you always get a goodie bag. Here we have our wig. So these are all the free gifts that comes with your wig. You get some lashes, a melt band. This I believe is a makeup brush, and you get some HD wig caps. So this is what the inside of your wig is looking like. It does have the air cap, it have the actual elastic band, and also some clips on the inside. Your knots does come bleached, as you guys can see, and this one comes with baby hairs already on the wig. Usually these type of wigs, it don't ever come with baby hairs laid for you, so I'm highly impressed with that. This wig already comes with the knots bleach, it comes with the lace cut, it comes with baby hairs already laid. This wig is definitely a ready to wear wig. I'm just gonna go ahead really quickly and just tighten the elastic band before I lay her down. Obviously we gotta fix these baby hairs, and that is what the lace is looking like up close, you guys. Honestly, it looks really good. They did an amazing job at bleaching it. I'm just gonna go in with my foundation powder, not my foundation powder, this is my contour powder. I'm gonna use this shade right here, the dab of this one, and we're just gonna go over the lace. This is just gonna help the lace to make it look like it's coming directly up out of my skin. And that is the wig right out the box. I can't believe how good this looks. Let's go ahead and fix these baby hairs because they are not given. I get the vision, but what they try to do is just not it for me. Now we're just going to take our mousse. Also, this is how the baby hairs are looking. Now that I went ahead and just snipped the ends off and basically just swooped it back with some mousse. This looks so good. I did not have to go in and pluck any additional hair out of this unit. The unit is completely glueless, and y'all, it just looks so natural. The lace already comes pre-cut for you. The knots are bleached and your hairline is pre-plucked. This is the hair in its natural state, you guys, with no extra products added. Absolutely nothing added to this hair. Curls are absolutely beautiful on this unit. As you guys can see, it's like a really tight curl. So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like, and so far I'm really liking the curls in its natural state. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in its natural true beauty. So I'm just going to turn around and show you guys what the back is looking like. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some products. And I'm just going to take some mousse and gently run it through this hair. seconds. It literally just takes 30 seconds to install this wig and you have a whole new hairdo. So far, I'm not getting any shedding or any tangling from this wig. The hair feels really soft, like I've mentioned. The hairline is just doing everything for me. I just love how natural it looks, and the fact that I did not have to go in and touch it at all is just amazing. So yeah, this wig is from Unice Hair. It is their 6x5 pre-cut curly lace front unit. The wig is looking absolutely bomb. She's doing everything that she needs to be doing. The wig is looking and feeling really good, so I definitely would give this a 10 out of 10. It is a perfect unit for an everyday wear or a vacation unit. This unit, the only thing that you need to do is show her on and go. And are you guys noticing how much easier it is to install a lace closure wig than a frontal? And I feel like nowadays, like, closures are becoming the new thing compared to like frontals. Nobody is trying to do frontals no more. Like, we want something that's very easy, low on maintenance, something that you can just like easily pop on your head and go. With a frontal, I feel like you have to like, it's just a lot more tedious compared to a lace closure, and I am so here for it. The closures have been like having my hair just looking so bomb lately, and I'm like becoming a pro at styling them. Mind you, I have been wearing a lot of ready-to-wear wigs lately, so there's not really too much styling that you need to do. Your wig already comes with all the work done for you. Your lace comes pre-cut, the knots are bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked. So what work is there really for you to do? Absolutely none. This one right here is definitely it. I will have everything listed down below in the description box for you guys on where you guys can purchase this exact same unit if you guys are interested. If I do have a discount code, that will be linked down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.